Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing a wig from Amazon, and she is 24 inches, 100% human hair. So I'm very excited to install this wig for y'all today. And I got her for a really good price. I'm going to get into details in just a second, but first I just want to give y'all a little bit of update on where I've been in my video schedule. So I just started working again, so I have been more focused on trying to get money so I can make more videos. So now that I have everything that I need, I'm ready to be more consistent, and now I will be posting videos every Friday. So you guys stay tuned for that. And I have a really exciting new video coming for Halloween, so y'all get ready for that. And thank you guys for watching. I see y'all subscribing. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And y'all, the wig said it came pre-plucked, but pre-plug where? Okay, so here's the wig. She is a water wave wig, and she's a 13x6. She is 24 inches, y'all, and she was 169, 170, and I feel like that's really good for the price. But they said it was pre-plucked, but like I said, yeah. But let's go ahead and start plucking and then get ready to install. As much as I wanted to give this wig a good review, guys, I just couldn't, because I noticed when I pulled it out of the pack that the hairline came pretty far back, and I already have a pretty low hairline. So when I was plucking it, I noticed that the hairline was getting pushed back even further. So when I installed the wig, it was pretty hard to lay down, and of course it really didn't fit my head. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna go in with this medium dark brown lace tint by Ebin and spray the inside. I also bleached the knots as well, so I did it off camera, and I also finished plucking off camera. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig and also cut my ear tabs, and I'll see y'all. In this clip, guys, you can see how far my hairline comes up, and I'm really upset at wig companies because they don't consider the girls who have low hairlines oftentimes, and the cap sizes are often too small, or the hairline is often too far back. But guys, let me know if there are any wig sellers out there who have a wig for my hairline, because maybe I just can't seem to find one. But yeah, overall I would rate this wig a 5 out of 10 just because of how the hairline came. But if you guys have hairlines that are far back or like no hair at all, then I feel like this wig would be perfect for you guys. And the wig came at a pretty good price for 24 inches and to be water wave. But I'm finna shut up talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. But thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah. between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you.
Okay, y'all, I'm back and I've just melted my lace, and now I'm gonna take it off and do my edges, and I'll be back. But y'all, installing this wig, I really hate installing human wigs sometimes because I don't know, they're just a lot more work. But we're doing it, and
I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away.
I'll give it to my thing before I'm gonna say it, but I'm gonna take my cream powder and put it around my edges to make sure it doesn't get my skin. I'm gonna be using Ruby Kid's Cream Foundation. These are really cheap, really good ones, so please do this. Maybe I'm just gonna leave them. So I'm gonna I'm just gonna take this brush and just put it along my hairline.
I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. One of that time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Stepping spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my picture straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my picture straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight.
It's still bumpy though. It's still gonna be cute. But just wait till it.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, y'all, here's the wig. What lace, bitches? But yeah, water wave Amazon wig, highly recommended. It was a bumpy road. I'm not gonna lie, it was a bumpy road, but here she is.
Yes, I'm bad. Yes, I'm bad. Most of